today we're going to be looking at structured data and the Enhancements tab. So what is structured data? Well, it's a way of us communicating with search engines what content is about, and it's a way for us to get rich results for that content in results pages. There's a great gallery on Search Central which highlights some of the kind of main structured data types that Google uses to enhance results. These can improve click-through rate, so really powerful stuff. You'll get things like articles, breadcrumbs, FAQs. There's absolutely tons to look through. Another place you can have a look at the different types is over on Schemaorg, which is a place where you can validate your structured data, but we'll get back to that in a second. If we go over to Search Console and scroll down here to the Enhancements tab, you'll see we've got 5 types of structured data that we're currently using on the website that Google's picking up for rich results. If you click through 20 of those, use FAQ one as an example, you can see we've got 16 pages with FAQ structured data on it and no critical issues. And this is important because any critical issues that Google picks up on structured data means that it's not going to appear for those results, and it can actually send a site-wide signal that your structured data is broken in various ways, so it could have a knock-on effect on other structured data types on your website. So if you see a problem, get it fixed as soon as you can. It'll give you information about valid items, so you can see which pages have that structured data working on it, and you can get kind of more information around the code within that as well if you so wish. If you go over to schema.org, you can run a URL through this and it'll pick through that page and look for any errors or warnings in your structured data. The difference between errors and warnings is errors are things that fundamentally means the page is broken for that structured data and it won't work. But warnings is kind of the terminology that they use for enhancing that structured data. So they're kind of additional things that you can include in that, say, for example, images or something else that might be attributable to that structured data. If you go over to the rich results test for Google, another really powerful tool, you can put in your URL and it will give you information around the valid items that it's detected. And this, you can preview the results. It'll give you information on non-critical issues, and that's the kind of warnings that we were talking about on schema.org. So if we click through here, we can see that our organization schema has a missing field of image, but it's optional. So we can add that at some point if we want to, but it's not going to fundamentally break the structured data. So it's a kind of would like to have in this instance. But what you can see here is it'll give you information. It's currently got information around our founders, so Adam, Lee and Pip, and links to their LinkedIn and bios and information about the business. So you can kind of start picking apart and fixing any issues here and see if they're fixed back in Search Console. I hope that's been useful. If there's anything you'd like us to cover in any more of these, then let us know. Thanks for watching.